Let's learn prefix sums, the precompute once, answer forever pattern. Sum of elements between I and j, asked 1,000 times. Recomputing per query is O of n each. Instead, precompute running totals once. Prefix of I is the sum of everything up to I. Then any range sum is just prefix of j minus prefix of I minus 1, a subtraction. And when this combines with a hash map, it solves the famous subarray-sum-equals-K, including with negative numbers where sliding window fails. Let's build up to that. Definition first. A prefix sum array stores running totals. Period I is the sum of everything before index I. Build it once in linear time, and any range sum becomes one subtraction, period or plus 1 minus period L. Pay O of n once. Answer every range query in O of 1. Recognition. Repeated range sum queries. Prefix array, obviously. But the deeper signals. Count subarrays with sum exactly K. That's prefix plus hash map. And the crucial one, negative numbers with a sum condition. Sliding window logic breaks with negatives because shrinking no longer reliably decreases the sum, but prefix sums don't care at all. Equilibrium index, product of array, except self, 2D region sums, all prefix thinking. When sums over ranges appear, precompute. The core mechanic. One pass builds the prefix array. Each entry is the previous entry plus the current element. Then range sum I to j is prefix of j minus prefix of I minus 1. O of n build. O of 1 per query. The pro tip that cleans your code. Make the prefix array 1 longer, with prefix 0 equal to 0. Then every range is prefix of j plus 1 minus prefix of I, and the I equals 0 edge case vanishes. Interviewers notice that little cleanliness. Same idea in 2D. Precompute rectangle sums to the origin, and any region is 4 lookups with inclusion-exclusion. Now the star. Count subarrays summing to K, and the insight is 1 line of algebra. A subarray from I to j sums to K exactly when some earlier prefix equals the current prefix minus K. So scan once, carrying a hash map from prefix value to how many times it's occurred. At each position, add to your answer the count of prefix minus K in the map. Then record the current prefix. One pass, O of n, negatives welcome. The trap everyone hits. Seed the map with 0 maps to 1. That accounts for subarrays starting at index 0. Forget it, and every answer is off. This prefix plus hash map combo also powers continuous subarray, sum with modulo, and count of nice subarrays, same skeleton. The family around the core. Pivot index. The point where left sum equals total minus left minus current. 1 prefix pass. Product of array except self. Prefix product from the left times suffix product from the right. No division needed. The modulo variant. 2 prefixes with the same remainder mod K. Sandwich a divisible subarray. Store remainders in the map instead of sums. 2D prefix. Sums answer any rectangle in 4 lookups. In the inverse twin, the difference array. When you need many range updates instead of range queries, add at the start, subtract after the end, and 1 final prefix pass materializes everything. 1 idea, 5 disguises. Quick but important. There are 2 ways to build the prefix array, and mixing them up is the number 1 bug. Without a leading 0, the query is pre over minus pre of L minus 1, but when L is 0, there is no pre of minus 1, so you need a special case. Add 1 phantom 0 at the front, and the formula becomes pre over plus 1 minus pre of L, which handles start at 0 for free. Plant the phantom 0, and 1 whole class of bugs disappears. The hash map trick is a template. Swap the key and the whole family falls out. 4 subarrays divisible by K. 2 prefixes with the same remainder mod K. Sandwich a divisible subarray. So bucket prefixes by remainder and count the collisions. 1 trap in Java. Negative numbers give negative remainders. So normalize with run mod K plus K mod K before using it as a key. And binary subarrays with a target sum? That is just subarray-sum-equals-K on a 0-1 array. Same seed, same one pass. The hard one. Prefix sums in 2 dimensions, also called the summed area table. Pad the grid with a 0 row and column. Then each cell is itself, plus the strip above, plus the strip to the left, minus the corner both strips counted. To read any rectangle, take the big block up to the far corner, subtract the slab on top, subtract the slab on the left, then add the top left corner back once because you just removed it twice. Minus top, minus left, plus corner. The corner always comes back. The inverse tool, the difference array. When you need many range updates instead of range queries, do not touch every cell. To add V across a range, write plus V at the start and minus V just past the end. 2 writes, no matter how wide the range. After all updates, one prefix sum pass turns those deltas back into the final array. It is prefix sum run backwards, and it is how seat booking and flight booking systems apply bulk changes. Size the difference array, 1 longer, so the minus V just past the end never falls off. Last, the variant zoo, and the one test that decides everything. Can you undo adding a single element? For sum, yes, you subtract. For XOR, yes, XOR is its own inverse. So the entire HashMap trick transfers. Subarray XOR equals K and all. For products, the inverse is division, which dies at a 0. So product except self uses prefix times suffix and never divides. But minimum and maximum cannot be undone. So a plain prefix cannot answer arbitrary ranges. For those you reach for a sparse table when the data is static or a segment tree when it changes. Invertible means prefix. Not invertible means a tree. Here is a distinction that trips up almost everyone. Subarray-sum-equals-K counts subarrays, so its map stores how many times each prefix appeared. But when the question asks for the longest subarray, 2 things flip. Take longest subarray with equal numbers of zeros and ones. First, turn every 0 into -1. So equal zeros and ones now means the subarray sums to 0, which happens exactly when 2 prefixes are equal. Second, to make the gap between 2 equal prefixes as wide as possible, you remember the earliest index each prefix value appeared, and you never overwrite it. See the map with prefix 0 sitting at index -1. On 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, the best hit is length 6. The takeaway: counting stores counts and inserts always. Longest stores the first index and keeps only the first. Same prefix idea, opposite map policy. And the payoff that beats most veterans. The prefix plus HashMap trick is not really about arrays at all. Path sum 3 asks for the number of downward paths in a binary tree that's summed to a target. Treat the current path from the root down to the node you are standing on as the array. Carry a running prefix and a map of prefix counts, seeded with 0 maps to 1. At each node, the number of paths ending here that sum to the target is the count of prefix minus target in the map. Exactly the same algebra as subarray-sum-equals-K. For a tree with root 10, children 5 and -3, and target 8, you get 3 paths, 5 then 3, 5 then 2 then 1, and -3 then 11. The one new idea is backtracking the map. After you finish both children, decrement the current prefixes count, so a sibling branch never sees prefixes that belong to a branch you already left. Same map, plus 1 decrement on the way back up. The leading 0 removes edge cases. Any range collapses to 2 lookups and a subtraction. Rewriting range sums to K as 2 prefixes differ by K turns the problem into HashMap lookups. Now the mistakes to avoid, straight from the field. Beginner off by 1 without the leading 0. An overflow on big sums, use long. Intermediate for getting seen, put 0, 1. Misses subarrays starting at index 0. Advanced trying a sliding window on some target with negatives, monotonicity is gone. Interview questions on this, rapid fire. rangeSum queries, immutable. Prefix array, O of 1 each. Subarray-sum-equals-K. Prefix plus HashMap, counts of earlier prefixes. Many range updates then read. Difference array. Why not a window here? Negatives break window monotonicity. And what most tutorials never tell you. Prefix sums and windows are complements. Monotonic state to window. Arbitrary signs to prefixes. Knowing which is the senior move. The map trick generalizes to count pairs with property f, j, minus f, I, equals k for any prefix computable f, XOR, mod classes. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. The win, O of n per query, then O of 1, and O, n superscript 2, subarray, counting then O of n. The boundary, prefixes are a snapshot, updates and validate them. Invertibility is non-negotiable. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. Two load-bearing choices. Long, NINTs near 2 superscript 3 superscript 1 overflow in sums, a planted trap, and the n plus 1 sizing with the leading 0. The query line shape, cumulative through or plus 1, minus cumulative through L, is worth memorizing verbatim. Nearly all prefix bugs are an off by 1 in exactly this line. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. 3 load-bearing lines. The seed put 0L, 1, an earlier prefix of 0 exists before the array starts. Querying before inserting. When k equals 0, the current prefix must not count itself, and merge keeping counts, not existence. This query then insert 1 pass with a map shape is the same complement trick as toSum, DSA CH5, applied to prefixes instead of raw values. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Now the part candidates ask for most, what real companies actually probe on this topic, based on public interview reports, not official statements. Amazon reported subarray-sum-equals-K, LC560, is among its most reported array questions. Product of array except self, LC238. Prefix-suffix products is a warm-up staple with the no division constraint planted. Google reported continuous subarray-sum, LC523, and subarray-sums divisible by K, LC974. The mod class map with the negative remainder trap. rangeSum query 2D, LC304, for the inclusion-exclusion follow-up. Meta reported LC560 and contiguous array, LC525, 0 then -1 transform. First seen index map. Show up in reports frequently. Graders reportedly ask, why does the map store counts? To separate memorizers from understanders. Microsoft reported rangeSum query, LC30334, with the follow-up, now the array can be updated, steering into Fenwick trees to test whether you know the prefix snapshot's limits. Here is how the same answer is graded, from weak to excellent, so you know exactly what an interviewer is listening for. Question: count subarrays summing to K, negatives allowed. Why asked? Filters window reciters from people who can do the prefix algebra. Weak. Oh, n superscript 2, all pairs, or a sliding window. Wrong with negatives. Instant signal. Good. Prefix plus HashMap coded with a 0, then 1 seed. Excellent. Derives the pivot allowed. Sum L. R equals K pro equals pre. R plus 1 minus K, and explains counts not booleans and query before insert. Impress. Generalizes on spot. Same map for XOR equals K, divisible by K via mod classes, 0-1 balance via plus or -1 transform. Red flag. Missing the seed. Window with negatives. In overflow shrugged off. Question: rangeSum queries on an immutable array. Weak. Loop per query. Good. Prefix array, pre, R plus 1 minus pre-L. Excellent. Leading zero rationale plus long plus the O in plus O 1 cost split stated. Impress. If update arrive, this snapshot dies. Fenwick tree gives O log in both ways. If it were 2D, inclusion exclusion. Red flag. Off by 1 in the query line. Question, apply a million range plus V updates, then output the array. Weak. Writing V into every cell per update, O in each. Good. Difference array, 2 writes per update, 1 prefix pass. Excellent. Names at the inverse of prefix sums derivative integral, and sizes diff n plus 1. Impress. Mentions this is how calendar booking and seat reservation batch systems apply bulk changes. Red flag. Diff are plus 1 index crash. Your cheat sheet. Pre nulla rovno nulla. Pre I plus 1 rovno pre I plus a I. Sum liter I rovno pre all plus 1 pre liter. Sum target with negatives to prefix plus map. Seed 0 to 1. Range updates to difference array. 2D to inclusion exclusion. And the memory trick. Pay once, O of n. Query forever, O of 1. Quick check. Subarray-sum-equals-K. With negative numbers. Why prefix sums plus a hash map? Because a sliding window can't shrink reliably when negatives exist. But a subarray summing to K means 2 prefixes differ by exactly K. So at each position you look up how many earlier prefixes equal current minus K. 1 pass, linear time. Quick favor. If this is useful, subscribe and turn on the bell. New videos and daily updates. Every 0 to deep. Now the recap. Let's lock it in. Repeated range sums mean a prefix array with the extra 0 slot killing edge cases. Count subarrays summing to K is prefix plus hash map seeded with 0 maps to 1. Negatives break sliding windows, but prefix sums don't care. That's often why this pattern is the intended one. The modulo variant stores remainders, 2D handles rectangles with inclusion exclusion, and the difference array is the inverse tool for bulk range updates. Precompute once, answer everything. That's prefix sums. And that's prefix sums. If you want the work problems, the 2D template, and difference array drills, it's all in the full write-up in the Code of Aura library. Like, subscribe, and keep building.